dealing with the messy data, it is coming under data cleaning process. So what are the messiness we can see in a data set? Number one, many missing value, NA values. You can see many places NA values are there. And number two, misspelled name in categorical variable. There are misspelling data storage in the categorical variables. Inconsistent data coding. The data codings are inconsistent. Numbers in the same column being in different units. That means same attribute is stored with the different units. Misrecorded data and data entry mistakes and extreme outliers. So let us see how to deal those things. First one, many missing values. We have to identify the proportion and pattern of missing value in the data set by any commands in our environment or any other command in any programming environment. The handling strategies are deletion. We can remove the column or rows which has highest percentage of NAE because it is disturb the data analytic process. Or we can go for imputation method. That means filling missing value by means of some operation like mean value. You can take mean value of the entire data set, you can fill in the NA places, or you can take median value, you can fill in the NA place, or you can take mode of the data set, the column, particular column, you can fill the NA value. Or you can apply some more advanced method like k nearest neighbor or regression method. Using those machine learning model, we can find out the value, appropriate value for the NA value, we can fill it. Or you can employ prediction model. Again, the machine learning model of k nearest neighbor or regression, you can predict the value what could be in the NA place by function of remaining value in the column, right? Then second messiness is misspelled names in the categorical variable. We can apply some fuzzy matching mechanism to identify similar but misspelled names. Once you identify that, we have to standardize spelling by mapping misspelled name into correct name manually. That is the correction procedure. Third messiness is inconsistent data coding. Check for variation in the data coding. That means different format for dates. For example of inconsistent data coding is the dates storage. Different format is available. So different places, the same column, different entries are stored with a different format. That is one kind of messiness. Or the categorical variable is coded differently. For example, the categorical variable, whether the temperature is high, low, you want to store. Sometime I is stored I, or sometime it is stored HG. So this inconsistent storage of categorical variable. So how to standardize that inconsistency? Convert all data into consistent format manually. We have to search and format it by programming instructions. Right. Fourth messiness, the number in the same column being different units. So detect the column with mixed unit by range value finding method or distribution value plotting. So if you plot the distribution of the values, you can identify easily the different unit is used because it takes different range values. And we can apply same unit conversion or uniform unit conversion procedure to rectify it. Then fifth messiness is misrecorded data entry or data entry mistakes, which is also called anomalies or errors. We can easily identify these anomalies and errors using descriptive statistics or visualization methods or use of some domain knowledge or combination of this. Once we identify the anomalies, we can correct the errors manually if you are very good domain expert, or we can set some automate rules or patterns to detect and replace. And sixth messiness is extreme outliers. So identifying outliers we already discussed. We can use some statistical method of z score, IQRL, interquartile range, or some visualization method called box plot. How to handle these extreme outliers? Investigation. Determine if the outliers are because of data entry errors, repeated valid extreme values, and apply some transformation like log transformation could reduce the effect of impact of the outliers. Our better solution is removal of outliers because if they are erroneous or distort the analysis significantly.